Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. If it is your very first time joining me, I am so glad that you could make it here. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button for this video, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bells. Let's just get right into it. So today, you guys, as you can see by the title of this video, I am so excited to share with you guys this recipe, because honestly it's like my most favorite. There are going to be two parts of this video, which is going to be the sponge, which is the one that you're watching now, and it's going to be the sauce, which is going to come later in a different video. I am so glad that you guys were able to make it to the end of this video. If you don't like dates, chop the dates as fine as you can get them, so that it melts in with the sponge instead of having like big pieces of dates. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye, sweeties.